this video, I will show you how to deposit money in the Bybit app. Now you can either deposit crypto or fiat, and I will be depositing fiat, but you can also use pretty much the same strategy to deposit crypto. So just go and open up the app, and then in the top right you will have the yellow orange deposit button. Go and click on deposit, and then here there are two options, or three actually, but I recommend doing either deposit euro or whatever currency you use, or deposit crypto. So if you want to deposit crypto from a different exchange or wallet, then select crypto and then select the cryptocurrency and just follow those steps. But I want to deposit euros, so I'll click euro, and then here I can pick how I want to pay and how much I want to deposit. So for example, I will deposit 20 euros, and let's say I want ideal for this, which is really easy. Then just click continue, and from here I can just go in and enter my bank name and my first and last name and email address, and then click continue, and then it will give me an overview, and then I can click pay, and then it redirects you to your bank. And I have just paid, and then open back up Bybit, and it says deposit successful. If you now click view assets, you will now see that it showed up right here, and in fiat I now have 20 euros. So now you know how to deposit money in Bybit, and specifically in the Bybit app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.